Hi, Darren, General Manager at Eagle Caravans and Campers. We are so excited at the moment to introduce everyone to our range of full off-road caravans. We've got 16 foot and a 19 foot. 16 foot suited for couples, 19 foot suited for couples, plus we've also got one suited to families. It'll sleep up to 5. Our 16 foot sleeps 2 people. You've got your queen bed up the front, and at the rear of the van you've got a full separate toilet and shower ensuite. Just what everyone wants these days. All of our caravans come with internal cooking space and bench space, along with external cooking space, plenty of seating for everybody, and 12-volt fridges. Everything you could ever need. Our most popular van at the moment is our 160CX by far. It's designed and catered for the couple who want to get to that hard to reach place and want an easy, quick setup. The setup process is about 5-7 minutes once you've got the hang of it. It'll take you a couple of trips to get things ironed out correctly and learn your process, but once you've got it down pat, you're set up having a drink within 5 minutes. I think more people are getting into off-road caravanning so that they can see this beautiful country. You get off the track, get to some more secluded spots where you're on your own, don't have to worry about traffic noises. You can put your phones away and just relax. All our caravans are fully off-road capable with extra ground clearance on them and independent trailing arm suspension. As our slogan says, an Eagle can go anywhere.